Want to play Call of Duty Black Ops 7 on your PC but don't know where to download it safely? Before you click any random website, watch this video. I'll show you the official way to download, install, and launch Black Ops 7 step by step, quickly, safely, and without any confusion. Let's get started. Now, open your preferred web browser and search for Steam. Here is a critical warning. Always check for store.steampowered.com in the URL to avoid fake download sites. Click on the official Steam website link. This is where all the action begins, so don't click any sponsored ads. Click the Install Steam button at the top to download and run the setup installer for the Steam client. This is the most important step, so don't click any other buttons on the page. Open the Steam application and click on the Store search bar. This is where you'll find all your favorite games. Search for Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and select the official game store page from the results. Here is a quick heads up. Black Ops 7 is available on Steam, Battle.net, and the Microsoft PC Store, so make sure you are on the right platform. Scroll down the store page and click Add to Cart. Keep an eye on which edition you are buying, as there are multiple versions. Proceed to your cart. Click Continue to Payment, and enter your billing details to finalize the purchase. You'll receive a receipt confirmation via email. Once purchased, navigate to your Steam library or download section to begin downloading and installing the game onto your PC.